Hello, please. I do not want to be living in a garbage truck or cooking in a garbage truck. Please. Thank you. Those are not garbage trucks. Excuse me? Hello? As wheels. Are you calling food trucks garbage trucks? I don't even know what to do with you anymore. I can't even with you. It's not a nickname, a garbage truck. If we call a food truck a garbage truck, you're like, oh yeah, we're going to that garbage truck. It does not sound like this spot. All I'm saying. All I'm saying does not look like the spot. I don't want to eat there. I don't want to eat a garbage truck. You're wrong. Wrong. Big wrong. So wrong. This looks so good though. Ooh, it looks amazing. Look at him. Look at him. Alright, I got sour cream. A roach coach. Oh my god. What is wrong with you? No one's gonna want to eat at a roach coach or a garbage truck. No way. That sounds awful. What a terrible thing to call something delicious. I'm putting cilantro inside, cause yum. I'm not gonna make mine pretty. No! No, they don't. They don't call it that. I've never heard anyone call a food truck a garbage truck or a roach coach. Alright, I'm throwing some pickled onions on the inside for me.